Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Sorry not for getting out any video in a couple of weeks, but I've been on vacation. Yeah, as usual the kids are with me, and yeah, if you are a beginner in some mechanic stuff, get you one of these.
Hey, Papa, hey.
It's just a box. When you open up, you have basically all the tools you're gonna need to do basically anything. Yeah, and in this one there is both metric and imperial. You have solid keels, long ones, short ones, free sizes, yeah, and jointed ones, and yeah. This toolbox the kids are not allowed to play with, but I've promised them that the birthday after they start school, they're gonna get their own one of these. And Hector is starting school next summer, and he's born in August, so next summer he's gonna get his own toolbox. And the year after, Jack's gonna have one. I've torn out the whole aft cabin, and I've torn down the shelves in the front, so that one is done. I've got one more fridge freezer that's in the workshop, so that one is yeah, actually this one is half done. It's torn out, now it's just to rebuild it, and here's the layout on how it's gonna look when it's finished. And let's see if it is anything more we have done. And this one, the searchlight, is also done. It wasn't the lamp, it wasn't the house, it was in the terminal. The wire was damaged. That one is maybe fixed. That one, hopefully, I'm not gonna even bother with. I've got an idea to switch that out or take it away totally. Yeah, the windscreen wipers are on the way. When that cabin is done, we're gonna have an insane lot of storage. So that one is semi done also. And yeah, as you can see, Hector or Jack is quite fond of tools. So yeah, they are gonna get their own, so I can have mine to myself. So next time we're gonna be in the boat doing stuff, so see you then.